Man, what a time to be alive. Here we have our bonus feature episode, and I'm on the front of an Aquila 54 with a remote controlled docking system. This one in particular is a Yacht Controller. You know, when you're a husband and wife team or just a couple or whatever, or hey, if you're even riding solo on these large boats by yourself, this is well worth the money. I'm not a salesperson for any of these brands, but it is truly a game changer. Of course, you're working with a lot of blind spots and stuff like that. And what it is, you have control to all your thrusters, all your throttles, and when you're docking, it just makes your life a heck of a lot easier, and it's super cool too. You can go everywhere in a boat. Up here, I'm on the bow. And then when you're grabbing lines, it really makes it a lot easier. So we're gonna bow this boat into slip here. And of course, when you're backing in too, you can really have good control over, you know, grabbing dock lines and stuff like that. And your blind spots virtually are non-existent. So how cool is this, guys? This is exciting. I do this every chance I can. And hey, one of those things that it's like, hey, welcome to the 21st century. This is new age yachting. So here we are as I'm coming in the dock. I'm gonna get nice and straight, bump my thrusters a little bit if I have to, and then Keith is going to get my dock lines and we're gonna be back home. Nudge that thruster a little bit that way. So now that we're in between the pylons, we're just gonna tie up, get the boat nice and snug. And I'm gonna kind of walk around here, use my thrusters as I need to grab my dock line. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys had as much fun watching as I did playing with this thing. And hey, stay tuned for some more cool toys and gadgets on the water. Bye guys.